Hi everybody, today we're going to be looking at the Fontwell roundabout on the A27 East, as if you were coming from Chichester heading towards Brighton and Worthing. However, I'm going to start the video from the DVSA driving test centre in Tangmere. So, I'm going to get the car ready, clutch down gear 1, find the biting point, cover the gas, check left shoulder, left mirror, interior rear mirror, out the front, right door mirror, over the right shoulder. No need to indicate, nobody coming. So, adding gas, I gently lift off the clutch. Coming out the test centre, Cityfields Way, I'm going to indicate left. So I'm going to check my interior rear view mirror, left door mirror, signal left. As I arrive at the road, I'm going to put the clutch down and gently brake. I'm going to check to the right, to left, to the right, to left. Adding gas, I gently lift off the clutch. I'm going to be turning right at the end of the road, so interior rear view mirror, signal right, right door mirror, a little bit of braking, clutch all the way down and gently stop. Check into the right and left, nobody coming, so I'm clear to leave. A little bit of gas up to second gear. At the roundabout, I'm going to be taking the third exit, turning right, so I'm going to approach in the right hand lane. So I'm in second gear at the moment. I'm going to check my interior rear view mirror, my right door mirror, signals to turn right, cover the brake and the clutch, a little bit of braking. It's a fast roundabout, so clutch down gear 1 as I arrive, and I'm going to wait for an exit. So what vehicle's coming from the right quite fast here. So I'm just looking for my opportunity. I'm looking to the left as well to see if vehicles are coming from the left and cutting off the vehicles coming from the right. Here's an opportunity, so gas first, gently off the clutch, in the right hand lane. Changing it to second gear, checking over to my left. As I go past the last exit for Boxgrove, I'll signal left, I'll check over my left shoulder, left mirror, and then accelerate away. Left hand lane leaving the roundabout. Adding gas, working my way up through the gears. So I'm in gear 3 at the moment, so I'm going to over accelerate in gear 3, right up to about 40 miles an hour and change straight to gear 5. So I'm doing a box gear change there, block gear change, sorry. Adding gas, checking my mirrors, speed limit is 70 miles an hour, so I'm just increasing my speed up to 60 miles an hour. Checking my interior and my right door mirror. There is a HGV in front which has got a limit of 58 miles an hour, so I will be overtaking that. So I'm just going to ease off the gas and let the next vehicle on my right overtake me. Then I'm going to check my interior rear view mirror, my right door mirror, over my right shoulder, signal right and move out into the right hand lane. I'm now doing 70 miles an hour. Again, I'm checking my mirrors, my interior rear view mirror, my left door mirror, my right door mirror. I'm overtaking the HGV now. We're about 3 minutes away from the roundabout. So as I go past this HGV, I'm going to check my mirrors again. Now, in my interior rear view mirror, I'm looking to see this HGV's headlights. When I see those, I know I've got a safe distance. So interior rear view mirror, left door mirror, left shoulder, signal left and move back over to the left-hand lane. Cancel the indicator. Again, checking my mirrors. I'll need to be in the right-hand lane at the roundabout. So at the roundabout, I'm going to take the third exit towards Fontwell Avenue, the A29. I'm going to just ease off the gas a little bit and let this next vehicle overtake me. I'm about 1 minute away from the roundabout, so now I'm looking to move over to the right-hand lane. So I'm going to ease off again. I've got another vehicle coming up behind me, so I want to let that one pass first, so I'm not affecting its progress when I move over. So here's the warning signs for the roundabout coming up. So I'm checking my interior rear view mirror, my right door mirror, signalling right, checking over my right shoulder, moving over to the right hand lane. I'm going to be taking the third exit off the roundabout towards Fontwell Avenue, the A29. So at the roundabout there's going to be a filter lane on the right which I'm going to take. So I'm easing off the gas at the 300 yard sign, covering the clutch and the brake, a little bit of braking, checking my mirrors, signalling to turn right. More braking as I arrive, more braking, and then it's into the filter lane. In the filter lane there are two options, left or right hand lane. I want the right hand lane for the A29. It's clearly marked A29, the right-hand lane. The left-hand lane is marked font, abbreviation for Fontwell. So at the roundabout, I'm stopping at the red light. I'm in the right-hand lane. Checking the HGV on my left, see if I can see any form of indicating. Now, lights are changing, so I'm going to start accelerating away. I'm going to signal left to move over to the left-hand lane, check over my left shoulder, exit the roundabout onto Fontwell Avenue. Thank you very much.